Today we will style Converse shoes along with practical examples and different body shapes. We will look into the main categories of clothes that I believe you will definitely find in your closet as well. So to start off, we'll style Converse with three types of the jeans: straight leg, mom, and relaxed fit jeans. Starting with straight leg jeans and a white Converse and a white t-shirt. Definitely I'm a blazer girl, so navy blazer is just a perfect match to complete this look. It has a white lining, so it ties in all the colors really nicely together. I think straight leg ankle cut jean works really well here as the blazer is not too oversized. And I'm finalizing the look with a deep red bag just to jazz it up. And also I will wear my thin frame glasses to make this look more sophisticated. And now let's have a look into mom's jeans. We'll be keeping the same outfit formula, jeans plus t-shirt plus blazer. However, in this example, the blazer is very oversized and the model's frame is really small and the overall proportions looked a little bit off. Therefore, we'll be swapping to mom's fit jeans with a little bit of the volume around the legs just to balance off the proportions. And the final outfit looks well coordinated and put together. With the relaxed fit jeans, I feel that we need to introduce some tailored fit on top. Therefore, we are adding a tailored waistcoat here. Also, pushing the sleeves up helps balancing off the volume on the bottom. It's nice to have white-black theme on top to color coordinate with the black Converse. Which jeans fit do you prefer wearing yourself? Straight, mom, or relaxed fit? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm really very curious. Now, moving on to the second category of the clothes, suits. I opted for this oversized straight leg trouser suit that actually happens to be my mom's from probably 35 years ago. I'm very proud to have such a cool mama. Suit is a great option and fast way to dress up and look sophisticated. But I like to give them a little bit of that laid-back vibe, and a pair of Converse makes this outfit more casual as I intended. And I'm completing this outfit with a delicious color bag. Sun out, sun in, and off we go. Let's have a look into smaller frame styling with pleated trouser suit. Now, with the pleated leg trousers, it is important to accentuate the slimmest parts, so the waistline and the wrists, as nothing else is visible. And as I always say, size doesn't matter, proportion does. Let's celebrate. Now let's discuss and have several examples of styling with black pants. I believe everyone has it. It's practical and easy option to go for. To create more interest, I am just crisscrossing my satin button-up. A belt not only draws attention to my waist, but also helps to make the blouse stay in place. And I'm relying on the color sandwich method here, repeating the shoe color in my bag, create color cohesiveness in this look. And ahead to spice it up a little bit more. These black suit pants have the side slits and it's really very flattering silhouette to balance off my curves. And now let's have a look into slightly different version of black pants. Faux leather pants. We are using the same outfit formula here, pants plus button-up. However, we need to do some styling to make it work for Giedre. So I open up several last buttons of the shirt and make a tornado tuck at the back. To tie in the colors together, I'm adding this striped sweater on the shoulders, which I know some of you doesn't like, but really it's very practical thing to have, especially when the temperatures are really fluctuating here in Lithuania throughout the spring and summer as well. Let's move on to all white looks. And the first one is styled with white Converse sneakers. Many women are afraid of wearing white clothes as they tend to make you appear larger. However, it is not the case if you wear tonal clothes. So for example, in this look, I am adding a white long line waistcoat. And as you can tell, it is not white, it is off-white. And the same as my off-white pants. In this case, it creates vertical side panels on my sides, and as you might know by now, it helps to slim down my body. I'm adding a little bit of black in back straps so that the look is not that plain. Now, styling total white with black Converse shoes. It's nice that Giedre's hair is dark, so it already helps to tie in the colors. However, I think that a striped jumper really elevates this look and makes it more put together and chic. Okay, now moving on to clothing category number 5, which is skirts. And I feel that with a high top Converse shoe, you have to go either mini or maxi. So I am wearing a midi skirt, and right now it kind of bugs me, this length. However, I put all the details together and somehow this look happens to work. And I guess it is because this midi has a high, now I think extremely high slit. A much safer option is a maxi skirt. So let's have a look into this next example. Actually, this skirt happened to be a little bit too big for Giedre, but there is nothing that a belt couldn't solve. I think that navy and browns create a very nice color combination, while a little bit of ivory freshens up the look and brings out the contrast. And the last category is outerwear pieces, and we will start with a classic trench coat. As a base, we have full leather pants and a striped t-shirt, and adding a camel trench really makes it look more sophisticated and chic instantly. However, in my opinion, this color combination is lacking some accent. Therefore, I have added a pop of red with this knit. Black, white and red is always a classic color combination which looks very sophisticated and chic. And outerwear number 2, a biker jacket. Now, biker jacket is a great option to have all year round. However, it is not for everyone, and I believe that I no longer could pull it off. However, for Giedre, it looks super nice and cool. Moreover, it perfectly matches with black Converse, creating color harmony in this look. And there you have it, styling Converse shoes in multiple ways. So if you have a pair of Converse in your closet, maybe it's time for you to just have a walk. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time together, and see you next time very soon. Goodbye!